School safety film is important to help reduce the ability for somebody to come through the doors easily after they've either been hit or shot out. It slows the unwanted intruder, not allowing it to shatter into 1,000 pieces. So my name is Mike Kinsey and I'm the president of Scottish Window Tinting. School safety film is important to help reduce the ability for somebody to come through the doors easily after they've either been hit or shot out. Typically, tempered glass shatters into hundreds and thousands of pieces, allowing for somebody to walk directly into the school. By having window film added, it slows the unwanted intruder down and can potentially buy people inside the school 1 to maybe even 5 minutes of time. School safety film applied to any type of glass keeps the glass intact, not allowing it to shatter into 1,000 pieces. Along with the film, attachment or anchoring system around the perimeter of the glass attaches to the window frame, making it difficult for somebody to push the film and the glass through the window frame or door frame. Benefit of the security film is simply to buy people inside time to get to a safe place, allow for security to do their job, and allow law enforcement to get on site and not allow somebody to just walk right in and start harming people inside of the building. Most of our clients call us thinking that the film should be applied to every door and window around the facility. But unfortunately, we find that it's most likely unaffordable for the school to cover every window. So we work with our clients to prioritize the areas that we feel are most vulnerable. This is maybe entry doors, vestibules, back windows, kind of hidden areas. And this is usually the most important areas to cover. Usually the film will most outlast even the windows and door frames. Very rarely do we have to replace it from a manufacturing issue or installation issue. Sometimes it needs replaced if it's being used, hands and different metal pieces are touching the film and it needs to be replaced just because it doesn't look as nice as it did when we installed it. The attachment system is something that we must install with the window film. Without the attachment system, the film and glass literally just falls right through the frame. The attachment system is a Dow Corning 995 structural silicone attached around the perimeter, and we try to install this with the largest bead possible, usually 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch bead of caulking around, if the frame allows us to put that large of a bead. Some window frames won't allow us to put that large of a bead, but we do our best.